What is your full name? My name is Jennifer Renteria Murillo. Where are you from? I am from Colombia. How old are you? I am 28 years old. What is our email address? My email is jenniferrenteria17@gmail.com. What do you do for a living? I am nurse. Where do you live? I live in Turbo, Antioquia. Describe the place where you live. It is very nice place with beautiful beach. Personality. I consider myself an extrovert, kind and very generous woman. Personality. I consider myself an extrovert, kind and very generous woman. What are your hobbies? Doing sport, reading, cooking, and listening to music. Thank you.